Hello and welcome back to EV Swap. I'm Jimmy and I'm a car enthusiast. We take cars that are gas and make them electric. New updates on the Frontier. We have the bumper installed, the front end is back together, and we've got the charge port doors. So of course this one is the J7072. And this one over here will be the CHAdeMO. Right now it's empty. And they have magnetic catches to hold them closed. And then of course it's gonna increase the aerodynamics because the air won't flow through. Same as the bumper. Elvis, what does Elvis mean? You're gonna have to ask Dave what that means. I'm gonna do an interview with Dave coming up this next week, so definitely stay tuned for that. We have the front end back together and all the lights are working. Also, we've got the cool, put the badge on here and you can see that it lights up whenever the truck has ignition switch on or it's plugged in and charging. The little grill badge will light up, which is really cool. That also helps with the aerodynamics, similar to how we blocked off the lower grill. And also we have the driving lights, and you can see they're wired into the brights, so when you flash to pass, they'll go on, and also you can just really quickly turn them off when you're driving on a 2-lane road at night or something, then traffic's oncoming, so you don't blind anybody. So we got the headlights all done. We're still waiting on the seat from the upholsterer, but other than that, we're pretty much nearly ready to roll on this truck. Dave ordered some new wheels and tires, so he's going to a 16-inch tire, cool alloy wheels, and I think it's a Continental EV tire, so low rolling resistance tire, so that should be cool. They'll be a slightly bigger size than these. These are a 205 65/15, I think. So these are like car tires on this little truck, but we're gonna go to this factory size for this truck, which will be like a 205 65/16. So that'll be a little bit taller, not very much wider, just mostly taller, and we'll be able to carry more load, more weight. So that's kind of the updates on the Frontier. I was really hoping to do a test drive this week, but we didn't get the seat. I was even just gonna sit on the floor and try to do a test drive, but there's still a few small things on the interior I wanna finish up before I do that. So thanks again for watching. This coming week, we're definitely gonna be driving it, whether it's got a seat in it or not, because now the heater in the interior is all wired up. I have wires for the heated seats, and now I just need the switches, which should be here this week. So yeah, I mean, I keep saying it, but it's gonna be driving any minute now. I really can't wait. Just looking around, there's really not much more updates. We got the carpet, I got it cleaned. I power washed it, so it's clean, ready to go back in. Yeah, not much really of an update this week, except the front end's back together and it actually looks like a vehicle now. So thanks again for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe if you're not, and thanks again. We'll see you here next time.